In this video, I am going to show you how to see all birthday posts on Facebook timeline. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, you have to tap on the menu which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on the menu, you have to tap on the settings icon which is present at the top right side of your screen. Now on settings and privacy, you have to search for access your information. So now simply tap on the first option. Now you will be redirected to this page. On this page, you very simply have to search for post. Once you search for it, you will see an option that says other people's post to your feed. So you have to tap on that. Once you tap on that, you will be redirected to this page. On this page, you will be able to see all birthday posts which were present on your Facebook timeline. So everyone, this is how you can see all birthday posts on Facebook timeline. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.